Hello there, welcome to Nana's channel again. This is our third video of the books that I'm walking you through, and this will be the last one. And before I even start showing you the books, this December is my second anniversary on YouTube, and I'm thinking of giving out a brand new books, maybe 2 or 3, but because I don't have a committee group, I don't know how to go about it. So I'm asking for ideas. What's the best way of me surprising you guys with 3 different brand new books? How to go about it, okay? So let me know. Put it in the comment section and let me know the best way for me to go about it, okay? It's going to be a surprise, and it's going to be a good books. 3 of them, maybe 4, but 3 for sure. And it's going to be between end of January to first week of February. Okay, because I'm going to wait on you guys to bring me ideas, and you know, Christmas is around the corner, and then January will be hectic. So I'm going to do it, give out that books end of January and first week in February 2026. We're almost there, 2026. Okay, so let's continue. Now, this is those of you that are really interested in designing and a career. This book will be good for you. Okay, so this is sewing secrets from the fashion industry. Okay, so that will help you, and it'd be good if you know how to sew a bit to venture into pattern making. That helps a lot. This is children's pattern making. Okay. This is adult. I have part 1 up to part 3. And then the same person, the same author, where is it? He has a couture. Part 1 and part 2. I have both. I think he has part 3 too. I'm not 100%. And this is also good. Drapery. Draping on mannequin. That one is good. Some people don't like pattern making, so they like this to drape, because they have the idea. They might have the idea in their head and put it on paper, or might not put it on paper, but they use muslin to bring out the idea on a mannequin, and they can see it right away instead of going through all the process of pattern making. So this is also good for you to venture into it. And this is the book that I went to school with. Not this particular one. The one that I went to school with is kaput. I don't know where it is, and I think I lost it somewhere. I don't know. One of my businesses that I closed, I think I lost it in one of those shops. Okay, so this also for pattern making. This book is being used mostly all the schools of designing career schools. This book is everywhere. Okay, it used to be very hard to get, but now I think Amazon even also carries it, but it's expensive, very expensive. Okay, so this is pattern making, and this is the last of the books. I don't want to overwhelm you. I've done it already, overwhelmed you already. So we're done. And something else I was going to tell you guys. As I said, this will come on in maybe 2 weeks time. Okay, and something else I wrote a note and still, where is it? I think this is it. I hope you really enjoyed me walking through different areas of sewing, and I hope you challenge yourself to try something different. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. Happy sewing, and God willing, I'll see you the following week. Okay, as I said, these videos I might do it back to back. I might not wait weekly. Maybe I might do it every other day or every other 2-3 days. I'll put it out. Okay, so thank you so much. Happy sewing. Bye bye. See you.